You think farming is all mud and manual labor. Forget it. Take a look at this $1 million fleet of beasts. You might mistake it for a spaceship, but this is the Fendt Ideal 9T cabin. A massive cutting header, an aggressive body, gliding effortlessly on supersized tracks. Cocked and loaded all at once. Inside is a miniature factory. With an interface this badass, can the field even handle the heat? The golden sweep begins. The discharge tube extends like a cannon barrel, roaring as it charges forward. Thousands of rice stalks are swallowed in a split second. A flawless, forward-moving formation, leaving behind a perfectly straight carpet of straw. What kind of magic is this? The side-by-side clearance is measured in mere centimeters. Dust swirls blindly like a desert storm, sweeping across the paddy. The entire space is engulfed in a glorious haze. These colossal machines curve smoother than your ex turning their back on you. Look at that. The pure gold waterfall begins to pour. Perfect synchronization, not a single grain dropped. Pouring money straight into the bank looks exactly like this. Without a single pause, the machine plunges ahead. Its grain tank vibrating intensely to squeeze out every last drop of heaven's pearl. Is it morning mist or golden dust? The red trailer, its belly full, slowly retreats, giving up the stage for the second supply station. The pacing is absolutely breathtaking, hugging the flank, shaving the stubble clean. An artistic curve closes the perfect plow path. Agriculture 4.0 power. Are you blown away yet? The panorama expands like a massive military campaign. 3 machines march relentlessly, their razor-sharp reels crushing the stalks, spitting out shredded straw in their wake, destroying to create, turning an endless field into a colossal outdoor factory. A crazy visual twist. Order seems inverted as the brilliant grain waterfall cascades and prepares to discharge again. This mid-air supply chain is programmed with near-absolute precision. The cross-cutting angle shows off an intensely synchronized tactic. The red truck backs up, and instantly another fills the void. The troop movement doesn't miss a single beat. Change of direction. The mechanical beasts turn their heads to steer. The massive tracks dig deep into the field, drawing perfectly straight stubble lines, as decisive as a military command. You thought it was over. The supply station creeps right up to the flank. The discharge tube jerks up and tucks away, the last grains scattering proudly. Amidst the endless sea of gold, these 2 agricultural armored vehicles parade side by side. The wide angle asserts the dominance and serious organizational mindset of the drivers. The fleet gathers midfield. The final boss of the logistics line officially appears, the heavy-duty Scania truck. All the pure gold is poured straight down, ready for deployment. The red trailer empties its strength, dumping the harvest into the massive cargo bay. Mission accomplished. The convoy, heavy with loot, slowly withdraws from the front line. But the cycle of life never stops. The giant Horsch tractor immediately joins the fray. Cold steel blades flip the stubble, exposing the shiny black soil, reeking of rebirth. A top-down bird's-eye view captures all the greatness in a cinematic 16:9 frame. The tractor steers gracefully, dragging the massive plow that pulverizes every clod of dirt. A steady, flawless dance of cultivation. Can you see how the grandeur of modern farming far exceeds our imagination? Marching silently toward the distant horizon, the earth tumbles under mechanical might, returning the nutrient-black mud. Dust rolls up in a blinding, aggressive, and powerful cloud, just like an armored tank sweeping across a battlefield. The heavy-duty tires grip tight, leaving long, beautiful, straight tracks. And wait, reinforcements arrive. The second tractor looms closer, doubling the force to tear up the vast landscape. A two-pronged assault, pushing soil reclamation to maximum speed. The machine revs its engine and surges forward, carrying the mission to nurture a new cycle. From a ruthless harvest to regenerative plowing, a closed-loop mechanization process is flawlessly complete. The script ends, but the visual satisfaction will definitely make you hit replay.